Okay. Little demonstration here. You can see I have a lot of radios. This is my favorite. You can see it's a HF tuner. So, let's start with demonstration number 1. Just switched it there to do this. Now we'll tune it, being on FM. That's the SWR, that's the frequency. So, go to sideband. Microphone. QSK, 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 525, Orange County, New York, 525, Orange County, New York, 525, Orange County, New York, 525, 525, Orange County, New York, check, check. That's the frequency. So now we're going to flip it to this radio. First we turn this one off, turn this one on. Go up to this frequency. All right, turn that off. I'd like to thank you. Nice and bright, I could read the meter. But there's a little bit of a problem here, and I'm trying to figure it out. Maybe you could help me. Remember this? CQDX, CQDX, 54321. CQDX, CQDX. QSK, 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 QSK. 525, Orange County, New York. 525, Orange County, New York. Why is it doing that? Hello, check, 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 check. Check, 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 check. Look at the frequency. Check, 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 check. This radio's never did this before. Check, 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 check. It's gonna burn out my tuner. This radio's never done this before. Even when it was putting out low power, it's never done this before. Check, 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 Something's wrong with it.